Okay, guys. So while I'm in here, with everything already been taken apart, I decided to just replace the spark plug. Um, this car already has 80 something thousand miles on it, so probably a good time to replace it. And it's really simple. These connectors already disconnected, but if you haven't, just pull that, get this out, and just put your hand on here, and you should be able to just pull the coil right up. I've seen some YouTube videos where people sticking like, you know, a wrench extension or something in here and lift it up. I didn't like it so much because this hinges looks flimsy and I didn't want to break anything. So just grab on below with your hand. Should be able to pull it just like that. And so that's my coil. Looks a little dirty, but should be fine. I pulled a couple of these already. The spark plug looked like this. And so you're gonna have to go to the automotive store and get a special wrench for this. This is a 12 point. It's not the 5/8 that you typically see. And I picked this up from AutoZone, and it's a 14 millimeter. Not sure you can read it, but it has a thin wall. It's extremely thin, 12 point, and this is the only thing that will get through. I think I paid like $15 or something for this and another wrench, another socket that goes together. So back them out and torque them back up to 22 foot-pound. You should be good to go.